So here's a selection of cards that I've created using the Butterfly Blossoms card creator pack. These cards have all been created with the blanks in the pack. These are the white ones, these are the coloured ones. I've used the papers in the pack as well, and for this one I've created an easel card. For these I've used the butterflies, I've added it to a complete card. For this one I've added it to a 5x7 card. For this one I've cut one of the butterflies in half and I've used it on two separate cards. One is a slimline and the other is a 5x7. Now for these cards I've simply used the foiled toppers and the sentiments and the papers to create the cards. And for this one I've actually used the coloured card that's in the card creator pack to create my base card.